Hey guys, Flip Man here, and today I want to talk to you about house hacking, and I want to tell you guys about the very first time that I did my house hacking. Guess what? I didn't know I was house hacking back in the day, so now it's a big thing to house hack, and here's why. It's a great strategy. I'll show you guys. And the very first property I bought to house hack was in Scottsdale, Arizona, and back then I paid $168,000 for it. It was a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,200 square feet. And that one was built in 1987. It was a good sized house. The master was on the downstairs, and then it had 3 bedrooms upstairs, had a gorgeous pool in back. So we all had just graduated from college. This was one of my very first properties I bought. I decided to live in there, so I got a great, first of all, I found it on the MLS. I was working with the realtor, so that's how I found this deal. So for this one, I got it with an owner-occupied loan. So for you guys who don't know, who haven't ever bought a house before, when you go to apply with the mortgage broker or the bank, one of the questions they ask you is it gonna be an owner-occupied loan, or are you gonna use it as investment or rental? So in this purposes, it was an owner-occupied loan, and typically with those, it's a lot less money down out of your pocket. That's why this one worked out really well. Like I said, overall, I only had close to $5,000 into the property, because the other thing that I benefited from, and you guys too, if you're first-time buyer, maybe you're a military, there's all kind of different programs that the government provides that the mortgage broker, the loan officer can help you with. So this was just first-time homebuyers credit assistance, help with the down payment assistance there. Out of pocket for this $168,000 house, with closing costs and everything, I paid under $5,000 to buy and control a $168,000 house. So that's pretty insane. So there's a lot of programs out there as first-time home buyers you can benefit from. You just got to get with the experienced loan officer that can help you. So what we did is our monthly mortgage on this, we did a 30-year mortgage. Our monthly payment was $1,255 a month. So you have the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and that's how you get your monthly payment of $1,255. At the time, I didn't know many people up in Scottsdale, so I ran an ad instantly. You know, I got a lot of response for the rooms, because it was basically, like I said, 23, 25, you're out, first time, graduated college, got, you know, a home. So for me, I decided to rent out the top 3 rooms at $495. 3 rooms, $495. I was getting $1,485 every single month on that. And again, we talked about the monthly payment. The mortgage was $1,255. It did have an HOA. For some of you guys out of country, it's like a strata in Canada. It's a homeowners association. They take care of the front and the amenities. We just had like grass and landscaping in that community, but it was a great location. That home today is probably $600,000-$700,000. So again, that's why real estate is a great investment. It always appreciates. So basically, getting back to our formula here, we're paying the $50 on the HOA. So monthly expenses every month was $1,305. From the 3 friends of mine, I was getting $1,485, so that was my income every month. And then at the end of the day, $180, take everyone out for dinner. It was a profit, so it was a win-win. My roommates had a great house, great location, everyone was working. Personally, for myself, the biggest win was able to now what's called house hacking today, but it's a great strategy for you guys to use if you're just starting or you want to rent out the rooms. It really has helped. And so when I was out of college, for the first couple years, I didn't have a rent payment because I was making this. The roommates that lived there were paying down my mortgage. So that's house hacking 101, guys. If you have questions, comments, definitely hit me below. Like, share with folks. So that was this week's whiteboard video on house hacking. I hope it helped you guys and you apply it to your real estate journey, and we'll see you guys on the next video.